Okay team, we are back and the page is not lagging yet. Hopefully it does not today. And yeah, another backtesting session, 25th of August. Let's go. So it seems like this gap is holding the 15 minute. We did not sweep the highs. Yeah, we did not. I don't like the shorts here. Okay, but it can be interesting for longs if we have a good delivery spot. So, do we? Yeah, 4 hour. Seems pretty nice. This V shape is really nice. There's a little gap here. What's the highest time frame gap we need to wait for? Okay, so 3 minutes. So let's just do it with the model. Let's see what happens to it. Okay, we're not anywhere near to an inversion. Okay, it seems like these shorts are gonna work. I mean, they are working, but we are in a bullish condition. Bullish condition market. I don't really want to be shorting here. Okay, so we do have an inversion, pretty strong closure. CISD here. Yeah, we do have it. Let's try it. Yeah, I'll just put the stop loss here because there's a gap here I want it to hold. If it doesn't, I don't want to be in the trade. That's why it goes there, not at the swing low. And there is a 5 minute here. So we will go break even right here. And I think we want to do what is there for us? Okay, let's just do these highs. This is going to be positive risk to reward. It's not going to be too bad. Okay, we're going to go break even right now. I just wanted the closure above the highs and it should deliver. Awesome. So very close to breaking even. The page is not responding to my positive trade. Clearly we are not profitable for the page. Anyways, I think it's going to update at some point. So, okay, pretty good trade, the first one, just a standard V shape. Like I said, I don't want to do any shorts just because we were very bullish on the higher time frame. So aligning your bias, aligning your trade with the bias is one of the most important things, because everything in the lower time frame can be looking really nice and then we just get smacked. So okay, let's see here. So these lows should be taken. They are. These as well. Almost, yep. And is there any delivery spot? So I guess this 4 hour is still holding. I mean, we're not in it, so I can't really treat it as a delivery thing. But there's a 30 minute, which I like. So let's see what happens when we get there. Okay, we're in it. ES is it in it? Yeah, it's also in it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so you get a small push, continuation lower. Seems like a manipulation potentially. Okay, I would like to see these 5 minute gaps get smacked and we're good. Yeah, see, that's why I don't want to enter yet. Okay, awesome. Maybe. Closure above 660. Come on, market. Take your time, but don't leave me hanging. Alright, and nope. Still no. Sweeping the internal lows. This 30 minute got inverse, did it? Yeah, it did. Okay, I don't think I'm going to long here with this 30 minute candle. This is a really strong bearish behavior, so I'm not a fan of longing this unless we inverse this one. That could be a good thing. And we swept this low. No, we did not. Shit. Yeah, I think we could look for a continuation short here actually. Yeah, there was an inverse. Yeah, I'm late for that. Okay, so seems like nothing. 3 minute gap here. We did inverse it. 5 minute also. 15 minute. Not yet. I want to see the 15 minute. Okay, great. I think we can long this. We are premium though, but we can target this high. Let's see if it's gonna give us a 1-to-1. So just for like educational sake, are we delivering from a gap? We are kind of 5 minute. We are inversing the 50-minute. We did, just here, if you guys can see. And yeah, we have relative equal highs here, so I think we can go ahead and target them. And I would like to go find a break-even spot, but yeah, technically it can be hard to find a break-even point here. And the stop loss should be a bit lower, like here. Yeah, let's just do a 1-to-1 because I want to give it space. Because after the 15-minute closure, the next 15-minute might want to like recover a bit and develop a wick to itself. So, alright, so that's what it's doing. Yeah, I think we're gonna get stop loss. Yeah. Okay. So it did not deliver, like it did not create a wick even. But yeah, this is kind of unfortunate. This 1 hour now looks super bullish. I would want to long this again, but yeah, targeting this until 1 hour could be good. Okay, we can try. Where's the 1 hour here? So this as a gap fill, and then do a 1-to-1. We're risking 700, which is quite a lot, but yeah, I just need a wide stop loss with this kind of entry. It's not ideal. We might get smacked straight away, but it seems like this 1 hour wants to get filled. The hourly candle is so powerful, guys. You need to realize that it really can give us the entire direction. Okay, I like this absorption here. I would like to add to this position at this point. So let's try that. Well, I might go over the buffer. If I lose the challenge, that's okay. Okay, great. This for me is very, very bullish. I am quite confident this is gonna go. We are after the session already, so yeah. Well, it's not A+. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I think we can just... Okay, I'm just gonna go real quick. Yeah, I mean, this isn't a trade I would be holding, personally. I mean, it's been super long. Okay, we got take profit, so at least that. Oh, I didn't set the second one. Okay, cool. So we're up 1.2k. Very, very nice, very nice. The trade was super long, not necessarily something that is applicable to eval trading and stuff, but it should be okay. Just for practice sake, and yeah, let's see what happens here. This turned off. Okay, so we sweep the highs. Very strong reaction to the downside, and it seems like this is quite low resistant. Let's see the gaps. Yeah, so there's an unfilled hourly here. Let me just mark it out. Cool. I think we might want to fill it first. Sweep the internal lows. Okay, I like that. So that's a very good V shape, and which delivered from the 1 hour gap. What can we target though? We are super premium, aren't we? Yeah, we are. This high though looks pretty saucy. It's like 40 points. So this gap is getting inverse strongly. CISD is happening here. Let's see the candle closure. Okay, so we do get it. I'm gonna skip the trade. It's too premium for me. Okay, so let's see if this pullback holds, because that could be okay. Very good decision, you see. Like, yeah, I guess this 5 minute also didn't inverse, which I didn't see before. So that was a very good call. And it seems like we might want to fill the 15 minute as well. Yeah, nothing much for me to do here. I don't want to be shorting with this bullish market. We're seeing absorption to the upside as well. Let's see this 1 minute gap. What happens to it? Okay, this closure is really good, but yeah, I think the high is gonna get hit. Yeah, it does. Okay, well, I just missed out the trade, but I wasn't super confident, so it's better to just preserve our accounts. That's the number one rule, which is often disregarded, and we want to seize profits straight away and use every occasion for profiting. This is the way to blow your account, man. This is really the way, and I know because I've done it. Okay, let's see. We're developing a range. We are in a range. Curious to see if we're gonna get any movement. It seems like an upside preparation, if I say so myself. But I want to watch out for the power of 3, which would be accumulating, then manipulating, and then distributing. So, or to the other side as well. We could manipulate to the upside, sweep all the highs. Okay, I think we need to go quicker here. Oh, why are we not? Okay, I took the Asian session, I think, by accident. Okay, so what happened there? Okay, so this is my manipulation in my eyes, and now we just want to distribute higher. I'm not gonna like blindly long this. Yeah, exactly, because we might want to take some liquidity first, and then look for an inversion. Okay, well, I would like to take this, but I'm kind of hesitant. Yeah, we might need some more sweeping done. That's a pretty good closure. What's the highest time frame gap here? 3 minute here. Let's see. This one. And then I think I can be pretty confident in targeting these equal highs, at least, and then this one. But that's very near, actually. Yeah, I think we can go higher. Okay, does it close? It does. Let's try it. Page is lagging. Okay, let's do a 1-to-1. Or maybe we leave a runner for a 1-to-2 here and the first one there. Let's see. Great, so the first, oh shit. Okay, looks better. First one goes, and let's see the second one. We're gonna go break even. Pretty good trade if I say so myself. Okay, we get second profit. Amazing. This is how I would like to manage my trades most of the time. I saw an obvious inversion on the 3-minute chart. That was the highest time frame gap that we needed to inverse for this to be valid. And literally, well, we retraced like 15 points into drawdown. Stop loss at the swing low, and yeah, we got it. So very tasty, very tasty. Let's go to the next one. How long have we been? Okay, 15 minutes. I want to keep the videos under 20 minutes, so if I am running out of time, I'm just gonna size up a bit just for the sake of finishing the challenge. And yeah, I mean, it's also good practice to be playing bigger size on the backtest, because then you can find out how you would do on an eval if you were trying to pass it, let's say, in 3 or 4 trades. Not like if you can afford it, of course. So it all depends how you want to treat your spendings and how much you want to spend per evaluations, and you need to be okay losing some of them if you are sizing big, because that's just the nature of drawdown. It's just the nature of drawdown. Okay, let's see. So this high is getting taken. We are still at all-time highs. Yep. And this might be just the drift to the upside. Maybe I missed this trade, kind of. Yeah. Let's see if we get a pullback and a continuation. Well, this is nothing. Nothing I can be taking here, really. Okay, so we get an inversion to the downside. I don't believe it. Great, and now we continue to the upside with this kind of V-shapey thing. Let's see this gap. Okay, we inversed as well. We get a CISD. I guess we can try this trade till this high. It's not even 1-to-1. No, I'm not gonna enter. I'm just not gonna enter because it's a bit late. So yeah, I would have played out probably Yeah, I just need some time. Okay, so yeah, take profit would have hit, but it's just not a trade I would take. So again, it's all about patience and just finding the obvious setup. It's a habit I am working on for sure. And then your mental is better, your finance balance is better, everything is better. So okay, let's see if we can look for longs. Exactly, this looks very nice. Sweeping the internal low. There is a 15-minute that we could target for break even. That's just 14 points above those, so that's kind of tough. Let's see this 1 minute. Wow, okay, so yeah, tough trade again. I need to wait for this 15-minute. Okay, I think we can take this V-shape though. This gap is holding, so I'm just gonna put my stop loss there, and we can go for a 1-to-1. Where is the 15-minute? We are still in it. Okay, so we get smacked, that's okay. So I guess I should have waited for the 15-minute closure, because this didn't really inverse it. No, it didn't. That's why it didn't work, so... Okay, lesson learned. Let's see still. I think this still might want to go to the upside, but... yeah, just after some time. Okay, yeah, this looks better. 5 minutes CISD, do we get it? No, we don't get it. Now we get it, but it's too premium. It's too premium. Yeah. Well, I know it's gonna work, but it would be bad trading. So, wow. Okay. Yeah. Next session. Let's try to find an A plus trade, which we can like really go big on. Okay, interesting. Inside a 1 hour gap, yeah, this looks like a short. This looks like a short, especially with this. That was such a quick move. I think there's a lot of imbalance there, just from experience. In terms of daily, yeah. Okay, let's see for short maybe. Okay, I like that. I like that retrace to the upside, and then I want to see a reaction in this big ass gap. Alright, not yet. I want this gap to go inverse. Ideally, both of them. See, that's the thing, like, I can be waiting for all the confirmations, but then I'm losing, like, the risk to reward that I could be getting out of this. But it's just discretion at this point, I think. Okay, this gap is going to the inverse, so I'm just gonna try to... Okay, that's way too much. Yeah, let's try a 1-to-1 for 1-to-1, and then a runner until these things get taken there. But let's see, I'm risking 1,000, so... Okay, one position too much. Oh no, yeah, okay. So first take profit will be here, and then we go break even at this low as well. Hourly looks pretty good. Okay, oh shit, we're in an hourly. Should be okay. Good. I'm feeling more confident in it now. I didn't see that we were in an hourly, but this might get inversed. Yeah, it does, I think. Does it? Yeah, it does. Okay, awesome. So we're good. I think this is looking really good for us. Okay, so first take profit is here. And now we need $900 for the challenge to end. 800 actually, 860. Yeah, should be fine. We're gonna go break even. Is there anything in the way? No, we just want to take the low. I think it's gonna go. Alright guys, so 9 days, challenge completed. Let's go analytics. 72%, I'm really happy with that. If I recall correctly, one of the trades, I just didn't see the 15-minute and it didn't inverse, so that was kind of my inaccuracy again. But yeah, we're getting there. Every day seems more clear and more I'm getting more confidence in the setups. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. And check Twitter today for trade recaps at Casey Traded and Market Makers email.